Making chicken fajitas. Diced up my chicken, marinated it in 2 kinds of sauce. Now I cook it all by itself, and then eventually add the other stuff. Oopsies. Use half of this kind, then half of that kind. Marinate chicken in 2/3 of each at first. Chop up my green peppers into matchsticks, kind of. Got red, yellow, orange, and green, or else it doesn't taste right. Added the chicken slowly to the pan. Started cooking it on high. I won't need to drain it because the fajita sauce needs the liquid to cook the stuff in the rest of the way. Usually just be quiet and cook. It makes a certain sound when it's done here. I'll cook my onions halfway first and then cook the chicken on top of it. This time I used diced chicken breast that I diced up. So far it's a success. I didn't cut my finger or drop any on the floor. Probably 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. A little bit of cooking oil to keep it from burning too bad. Sometimes you gotta let it just sit and kind of burn up for a second. It's starting to steam a whole bunch, that's good. That means it's cooking good. That fucking hurts. Sure, mess my pan up. Still not ready yet. Getting there. Need more flame. More flame. Thin painter on the thing. I got I'm getting there. Gonna add some peppers soon. Oops. Oh. I don't know if you can see it. Right about 165. Now it's time to add some peppers. I bet I'm making you hungry. Sorry. I'm just making the chicken. The sound it makes is how I know it's time to add that. It's starting to sizzle. Time for peppers. Lots of peppers. Just dump them on top and let it cook for a few minutes. Then stir it up some and let it cook for a few more minutes. And then it's perfect as heat is. I think it is. I'm the chef, dude. There we go. Master Chef Tom is at your service. Did I turn this off? Makes a big mess making some food, but it's a lot better than paying someone to fix the refrigerators, I think. I don't know, either way. Here, wait 2 minutes and then do it. Needs to burn up a little. Kind of. No. If I had like a Bacardi and Coke, please. Yeah. That's the chicken for you. Hurry up about it. Hey, my lens look bad. Kind of this. Been 2 minutes yet? Almost. It's normally cooking fajitas over here. It's very good. That smells quite good. 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep. Time to stir. Time to add more fajita seasoning. See what the instructions say here. Probably a dash of water. Bottle of water, because that water's got light in it or something. Now 3 more minutes. The way I like it. About 2 more minutes in this fajita time. Oh boy. Now it's doing the steaming thing. Sizzling. Want it to brown on the bottom though. So no stirring it till the timer goes off. Oh boy, this one's good. No. Uncertified Master Chef Tom at your service. Table for 1, 2. Come on. Right this way, please. Like it. It looks good. It's turning the right color shit. It's kind of changing colors to the caramelization sort of look too. So it's damn near done. One more good stir. Let's see. There you go. That's just how I like it. Perfection. Oh boy.